Alright, so the next figure was this one, whereby we had to construct the same figure ABCD, and this one we had that AC was 70, the ratio of AD to DC was 5 to 3, and the perimeter was 150. So let's look at how we can achieve this one. It is another plane figure that is constructed out of the geometry of triangles. So this is the figure that we have. So we are given that it was given that AC is 70 and the ratio of AD to DC was 5 to 3. So from here you could see that from the given figure we have its perimeter. So this perimeter was for ADC because you could see that information was relating to ADC as a triangle. So let's first draw the perimeter here. So this is the perimeter. Perimeter is 1 to 150. So we're going to draw a line here. So I draw a line equivalent to 150 millimeters. So that is 150 millimeters. Okay. So 150. Now on that 150, I'm going to first measure off 70. So I first take off 70 millimeters because the given perimeter is for only two sides. So if I want to divide the other sides, I first take off this one. So I first take off that one. Then the remaining part I divide it into the total ratio. The total ratio 5 to 3, the total ratio now will be 8. So I draw a line at any convenient angle from that point, line at any convenient angle, and then I divide this into 5 to 3, 8 equal parts. 5 plus 3, 8. So 8 parts. So I have that one is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then join the last one, the last point on the perimeter. Then I count 5 to 3. So I count from here. I count 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So why have I done that? Because if you look at the figure, they told you that AD to DC, meaning that AD takes the largest portion and DC takes the smallest. So if ADC is the triangle, SC I first took it measurement was 70, and AD 5, and then DC will be 3. So those are the divisions now made. So now I can rub off these ones. Okay, so I have that. So now since it is given, I'm going to this middle part is going to be the middle side AD of the triangle. Remember, this one is already 5. So I'm going to stand here at this point. I stretch up to the other end point. I draw an arc. This arc is already at 70 because we first measured off that. Then I'll stand here on the last portion of this one. I stretch the other side. I draw another arc. Now where the arcs intersect will be the point where you have C. So now join up that figure there. So this is the triangle that was required. If you can get it from the figure. Plus we just formulated the triangle from what was given. But if we lay all the sides of the triangle as an horizontal, now when I put one at the base and I just swipe this one to come this side, you will see that this one is perfectly 70, and this one respects the ratio which was 3, so it will even give you that. This one gives you 50. So you can see if this one is 70, 30, away, so you could see that you are moving in the right direction. So the first triangle is there. So if you have constructed that one, then this one will now the triangle, and you can now can highlight it there, ADC. So now the other one, from here you had 23, and here you had an angle 55 degrees to get point D. That one is the easiest part of it. 23, 55. Okay, I can explore this a little bit. Okay, so next one, I'm going to construct an angle 55 degrees. You know how to do that. I'm going to do that very fast here, so you can construct it using the code of scales. I need to construct it direct here for purposes of time. Yes, so I have 55 degrees from here. The angle will be 55. Yeah. So now 55 degrees. Yeah, and then here if you draw an horizontal at the top here, you have an horizontal. Here you can construct another horizontal line parallel to this one at a height which is equivalent to 23. Okay, so that's what you do. And the height is 23. You construct another parallel. This parallel will go until it will meet the other part of the 55 degree angle. So when it touches it, just join up to this point. So at all times, distance from here up to this point will always be 23 as class 5 of the question. So if I'm viewing this and this, I'll have figure A, B, C and D. Okay, by doing those three, I'll have figure A, B, C and D. So this is ABCD, and this one will be the figure that will be required. This angle is 55. Can you check? This angle is 55, and then the length AC. Length AC is 70. Okay, and then these two sides are in the ratio of 5 to 3. This is 50 and this is 30. If you reduce them by 2, you will see that the ratio is 5 to 3 exactly. So this is